Cowens yn cael ei benlan yn bwydo'r capten Williams. Tu fewn at Walker, Walker at Ismael. Mae Williams wedi parhau a'i rediad, 3 yn disgwyl croesiad. Ac mae Ismael yno! Ac mae Zeli Ismael wedi rhoi y Drenewydd ar y blaen i gôl gyntaf o'r tymor. Yn torri tu fewn a'i ergyd isiel yn curo Lewis Dutton. Ismael yn chwilio am rediad Jake Walker, Walker o ganol ca. Aaron Williams ar y postyn pellach gyda Robles. A mae nôl gan... wir. Jake Walker yn casglu'r bêl am yr eildro, yn torri tu fewn a'i ergyd nerthol yn curo Dutton. Y Drenewydd 2, Airbus dim. Palmer ar gicrydd i Airbus sy'n edrych i daro nôl yn syth wedi ildio'r ail gol. A mae Sutton yn ennill y peniad yn gyffwrddus. A mae'r bêl gan Ismael. Ismael. Mae Rushton i'r chwith, Robles i'r dde, mae'n bwydo Rushton. Rushton yn croesi, Robles dros y bar. Wel, am symudiad gan y Robinied, ond maen nhw'n torri trwy amddiffyn Airbus fel cyllell trwy fenyn. Mewn at Robles. Robles at Williams, 3 yn disgwyl croesiad, mae'n groesiad da, y peniad ymlaen, ac yna Ismael yn taro'r postyn. Cyfle ar ôl cyfle i'r tîm cartre, ond yn methu ychwanegu'r drydydd. Ismael yn eog, cyfle gwych, taro'r postyn, ac Airbus yn ffodus i ddianc unwaith eto. Camgymeriad gan y chwaraewr y fforddwr Crowther, mae gan Robles, Robles, cyfle am y drydydd, Robles arbediad da gan Lewis Dutton. 2 funud a hanner mewn i'r ail hanner, cyfle gwych i Robles, ond yn methu curo Dutton arbediad da gan golgeidwad Airbus. Craig Williams yn carlamu mewn i hanner Airbus, parhau i fynd. Williams yn bwydo Ismael, Ismael yn torri tu fewn ar ei drod dde, cyfle am ail o'r gêm iddo fe. Arbediad rhagorol arall gan Dutton, ond yw'r perygl ddim drosodd, a'r peniad gan Aaron Williams yn syth i ddwylo diogel Dutton. Tafliad ar Edwards, Edwards, a'r peniad mewn! Mae'n y gol wedi dod, a Jake sydd wedi sgorio hi. Jake sy'n sgorio hi ail gol o'r tymor, y croesiad gan Ryan Edwards i beniad tu hwnt i Dave Jones.
Listen, the first point is we won the game, and that was the aim at the start of the day. I thought for 65 minutes, I thought we were very good. I think we created some really good chances, scored 2 goals, hit the post, goal disallowed for offside. Countless of balls where we got to the byline to pull back, we're just missing that finish. And then often as you find it where, we haven't been on a good run, then, sometimes things happen. We give away a couple of silly free kicks, which allowed them to put us under a little bit of pressure. And then we got a little bit sloppy and, listen, I thought we were going to see the game out, but, they've conceded a goal, which then makes the last 5 minutes, a little bit nervy. But listen, we deserve to win the game today on the balance of play and the territory and the dominance that we had in the game. So, we deserve to win the 3 points, no doubt.
First half, I think we started okay, more than in the game. Created a couple of little opportunities, but nothing that's really stood out. They got that first goal, and we switched off. And it tends to have been, certainly from speaking to the lads, the story of the season. Giving away a sloppy goal, I wouldn't say they carved us open. We gave away 2 pretty sloppy goals, and it does that changes the course of the game. But we had a chat at half time. We spoke to a few different players, tried to sort of change a few things, and the main one was just playing with a little bit of intensity. In the second half they came out and they put in a performance, and that's sort of all you can ask for.
Yeah, dwi'n meddwl hanner cyntaf dyn ni cael llawer o chances i maybe sgorio 1 neu 2 mor gol, ond chwarae teg i Airbus yn yr ail hanner maen nhw wedi rhoi gêm da i ni, a 3 pwynt bwysig iawn.